Okay, so let's talk about some of the specific buttons, about how they all work in Kami. So let's talk first about OCR and Split Merge. So OCR is a process where if you want your PDF to be readable, you might need to do OCR. And OCR is just basically a process that looks at your PDF and the computer recognizes the text. Typically, PDFs are pictures. Even if there's text there, it's just essentially a JPEG that was turned into a PDF. What OCR does is it tries to read the text and make it so that the PDF could be read back to a student. So basically, when you hit the OCR, you end up in this little area here. And you can either drag and drop or you can click your Google Drive. So I'm going to take this PDF of the US Constitution and I'm going to drop it in there. I'm going to press next and the processing will take place. Essentially, once the processing is done, nothing's going to be different about the PDF other than the text that was inside it would be readable by a program like Read and Write for Google or even Kami, basically to being able to have text to speech. So we're almost there. And okay, so all done. So we're going to either export to Kami or export to Drive. So I'm going to throw it in my Google Drive. So it was exported to my Google Drive. And if I head over to my Google Drive, I will see this Kami export. Now it threw out a generic name. I could easily rename that. So Constitution OCR. Now, what's nice about that is now if I open it with Kami or if I open it with Read Write for Google, what should be possible is a student could then grab text
the House of every second year by the people of several states and the electors.
So that's what OCR does. It makes PDFs readable. So Split Merge, same concept. You click it, opens up the same menu. I'm going to open up that new OCR Constitution PDF. It's going to load that document. I'm going to press next and you'll see there's multiple pages. So if I wanted to take a multi-page PDF and actually just break it down into smaller parts, I could do that. And so if I was going to have page 1 and 2 be one piece and 2 and 3 and 4 be another piece, that'd be fine. I can export each individual. I can export the original without the first 4 pages. You can do any sort of breakdown that you want. You can export individually, or over here you can export all of them. You can rename them here. So like if you were Constitution page 1 through 2 and Constitution page 3 through 4, you could do that. When you press the export button, you get that same option. Do you want to download the file to your actual computer? Do you want to put it in Google Drive? You can select a folder in your Google Drive if you want. Just for the sake of argument, I'm just going to press put it in the Google Drive, and you'll see that page 1 and 2 now is just separated into its own thing. Now the good news is because it came from an OCR PDF, this is automatically OCR. So therefore it could be read to a student. So hopefully that clears up a lot of what the split merge button does in Kami.